Hi, my name is... Just gotta laugh. You can't laugh. Just give me a minute, it'll be okay. Is it still rolling? Hi, my name is Fabian. I'm with Bushcraft Yukon and welcome to Yukon. I'm just gonna run over a few terms. You might hear me talking about the standing end and the running end of a rope. The next thing is something we call a bite. So a bite is something where we just have this almost like a kink in the rope, the standing end and the running end parallel to each other. This whole thing becomes a loop as soon as they cross like this. So this is what we call a loop. So the first knot I'm going to show you today is the bowline, a very useful knot that you can use to tie your boat to something on the shore, or you can tie off your tarp. It's easiest to tie it around an object such as this tree. And what you do is you create a loop here. The working end comes through this loop from the bottom, runs around the standing end and back into the loop. And then you can dress out the knot like this. There you go. The next knot I'm going to show you is the sheet bend. The sheet bend is a knot that we can use to tie two ends of two different ropes together. Great benefit of the sheet bend is that we can also use ropes of different diameter. What we do first is we create a bite and then we run our smaller diameter rope through this bite, around it like this, and under the small diameter rope again, such as this. And then we can tighten this up. The next knot is the clove hitch. The clove hitch is a knot that we can use to attach a rope tightly to an object such as a stick or a tent peg. The easiest way for me to tie the clove hitch is to create a horizontal baseline for my knot, and I put a loop on one side of this line and I put another loop on the other side, and then I can pull them together like this, and this one goes over, for example, my tent peg or whatever I'm tying this one to. And the benefit of this knot is, like, if I need to adjust the length of this rope, I can, for example, feed this in here without opening the knot, and I can release a little bit here, and I can do the same in the other direction if I need to. So this is a great knot that we can use for a lot of applications out in the bush. So another great application for this clove hitch is if I have a tarp, for example, and I need a new tying point and I don't have a grommet or a loop, I can take something like a pebble or a pine cone or something like that and place it on the inside, and then I can put a clove hitch over top, so I can create a safe lashing point for my tarp without actually having to cut holes or damage the tarp.